Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to create or make video with Gemini. Let's see how to create. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Google Gemini. Update Google Gemini app if available Play Store. After completing update, go to Google Gemini. Click on plus icon and click on videos. Click on plus icon. Click on photos. Select photo. And click on arrow icon. Wait few seconds for create video. Video create done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.